Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. I just got this box from TRU-SPEC in the mail. It was just dropped off by UPS. So I figured I'd do an opening, an unboxing here and see what they sent us here at the channel. First off, regardless of what it is, thank you TRU-SPEC for sending this to the channel and wanting us to review some items. So let's check it out. Let me put this camera down. Alright, so I'm going to try to unbox this as best as I can for the setup I have. So let's see, I have no idea what's in here. So let's check it out. This is let me see if I can get this on camera here. Here we go. This is a warm and dry all-weather blanket urban survival gear here. 5-star gear. Okay, so here it is out of the plastic. This is urban survival gear, warm and dry all-weather blanket. So it says here, it says windproof, let me get this on the camera here. Windproof, waterproof, yet breathable outer shell that keeps out the elements. Soft, warm polyester fleece line inside for excellent warmth under most conditions. 6 rust-proof metal grommets allow the blanket to be secured as a shelter. Rolls into a compact and convenient size with a web strap carry harness, making it easy to tote and store. Ideal for picnics, camping, sporting events, and just even around the house. It's 58 inches by 80 inches, which is 147.3 centimeters by 203 centimeters. And I can't wait to do a review on this thing. Let's check it out, open it up here. So each one of these items that have been provided, I will do a review on. I'm going to take a couple solid weeks to check them out, but I look forward to checking this stuff out. You can see it has a nice little grab handle here. And that's nice. I look forward to checking that out. So let's see what else we got. Here we have, get that glare out of there for you. We have a survival tube. We have a steel striker, 6 feet of nylon paracord, some fire tinder, magnesium fire starter, and a diamond knife fishhook sharpener. So this looks like a nice little fire kit. Check this out. Loaded with survival essentials and a single compact tool, contains magnesium fire starter, steel striker, fire tinder, and a diamond knife fishhook sharpener. Wrapped in 6 feet of nylon paracord that can be used for dozens of survival applications. Includes aluminum carabiner to attach the tube to packs, belt loops, etc. Great for camping expeditions, hunting trips, or even in a bug-out bag. And you can see what it'll look like there assembled. It looks like it's going to be pretty cool. Now this is cool. This is their this is the new product for them. This is off their 24/7 series. This is their expedition pants. Dual cooling system, comfort fit slider waistband, drop-in cell phone pocket, integrated soft flex panels. You can get a quick little look there. I'm looking forward to these. These are a tactical pant. Black and gray, it looks like. With some cooling panels and stuff like that. Definitely can't wait to check those out. That's pretty much all I wear is tack pants. Alright, here we have a survival whoopee blanket, sleeping bag, poncho liner. And excuse the background noise, I got the family thing going on. I'm watching the news. But this is made of 210T ripstop polyester with ties to use as a poncho liner. You can see this there. Looks like it's going to be a cool little sleeping bag or a liner. Can't wait to check that out. And it comes in a nice little nylon carrying bag with a cinch top. Something big. All right, awesome. This is the Tour of Duty backpacks. This is the light. These were inspired and designed by Arlie Ermy, Gunny, God rest his soul. This is a pretty cool pack that can be used for a go bag or an assault pack. A lot of pockets on this, a lot of molly. I can't wait to do a review on this thing. Nothing I use more in life than tack gear, and it all needs to go into a bag, so this is top notch. Thank you, TRU-SPEC. right, check this out. This is, again, from their 24/7 series. This is a tactical soft shell jacket. You can see it's lightweight and wind and water resistant. Zipper front closure, fleece line, zip through collar, 2 angled waist pockets, side seam zippers. That's good for, you know, access to your firearm. Hook and loop, self fabric cuff closure, 2 rear zipper pockets, 1 handed cord lock waist drawstring, and 2 shoulder loop patches. Look at this thing. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Excellent. Looks like it's excellent quality. Big thank you to TRU-SPEC for sending these items to the channel for review. I am beyond grateful. I appreciate it more than you'll ever know, and I hope to do you proud with some of these reviews because some of this gear looks top notch. So look forward to doing reviews. Keep an eye out on the channel for these items. I'm going to let you know exactly how they are. Until we see each other again, be safe, stay vigilant, carry a weapon. Thank you very much, TRU-SPEC. Take care.